Hey, this is Nate from Web 801. In today's video, we're going to go over how to set up additional users in your Stripe account. Sometimes this is helpful if you have multiple people that are going to manage your Stripe account. For example, your web agency, or your accountant, or your bookkeeper, or just other people in the organization that need to get in and see specific things, send invoices, issue returns, things like that. So let's get started. So here we are in Stripe, and we'll go through just a step-by-step process on how to set up new users in your account. So first I'll sign in, and when I get here, the first thing I'll do is go up to the top right corner into Settings, and I'll click on Settings. Then I'll go down to Business Settings and Team and Security, and click Team. And you'll see here I have myself set up, I have my bookkeeper set up, and I can see last time they logged in, if two-step authentication is set up, which is always a good idea because then they have to get a text message and confirm that before they log in. I'm going to click New Member, and then you'll see here there's different types of users: administrator, developer, analysis, support specialist, view only. Really, this just depends on what you want the user to do. Most of the time, I set them up as administrators, but maybe view only is okay for like an accountant or a bookkeeper that doesn't really need to change anything or add new users. But for now, I'm just going to set up administrator. Here I'll put in an email address, and then I click invite. And sometimes it will confirm something like this to make sure that it's me. And then as you can see here, it will show the email address, administrator, and the invitation has been sent. I'll then go to my email address, and I will see an email that looks like this. You've been invited to join the Moller marketing team by Nate Moller, nate@mollermarketing.com. So then I will click accept invite. And what you'll see here is because I'm still logged in as the super admin or the Nate@Moller marketing, I'll have to sign out and then log back in with the email address that I just invited. Or obviously in the case of an accountant or bookkeeper or a web agency or whatever, they'll just get the notification, then they'll log in, create a username and password, and we'll be good. So I'm going to cancel that. Then I'm going to go back to settings, back to team and security, and you can see that the invitation has still been sent. It hasn't been accepted yet, but for now, because you can see how this all works, I'm just going to remove it. I click remove, remove user, and that is how you set up new users in your Stripe account. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And you can also watch the video in the top corner that will talk to you about the things you need to set up a Stripe account for your business. Thanks for watching this video today. I hope it was helpful for you. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up. I'm Nate from Web 801, where we turn brochure websites into sales machines. Talk soon.